What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. The first and only story of the day comes officially from Samsung. They've put out an article on how you can be an amazing vlogger with their Galaxy S10 Plus. The first one is even out shaky footage with super steady mode. Now, this is only gonna work in 1080p when you're recording, just FYI, but regardless, you can see the on-off difference right here, pretty big. So you might want to turn that on if you're recording that. Also, I believe it's only going to work on the back camera. Next is create movie-like moments with super slow-mo. So you can do super slow-mo in up to 960 frames per second. Otherwise, you can just do regular slow-mo at that. Then you have condensed time with hyperlapse. So this is going to basically record a whole bunch of footage and then kind of fast forward it and make it look really fast. Then you have get personal with the UHD front camera, aka turn on 4K video recording on the front camera. And then lastly, bring your own, which is the one I wouldn't use out of any of these, is bring your own mini-me to life with the AR emoji. Kind of corny. Again, I wouldn't do it, but maybe you want to. So really helpful hints in that little article there if you're looking to get into the vlogging game and start putting some stuff on YouTube. Other than that, you might want to look at a microphone. I have this Rode microphone, which I've actually already done a video on, which is very good. I really like that microphone. It works really well. I've already done a video on it. I'll link that video down below if you want to check it out, and if you decide to pick it up. So there you guys go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, are you interested in starting to make YouTube videos, have it be for vlogging or tech or food or something else? Let me know in the comments down below and let me know what you're looking to start a channel on. I'd be curious. Thanks for watching. Have a great Sunday. We'll see you down the road. Peace!